Weight loss drug safety. Are they right for you? Let's explore the safety and efficacy of weight loss drugs and see if they're the right fit for you. Weight loss medications can effectively aid in losing weight, achieving 5 to 15% reduction, but results vary. Key considerations include your BMI, health conditions, weight loss goals, and lifestyle commitments. Common weight loss drugs work by suppressing appetite, inhibiting fat absorption, or mimicking hormones that increase satiety. Side effects range from mild, like dry mouth and nausea, to severe, such as high blood pressure or liver damage. Always consult your doctor to tailor a safe and effective weight loss plan, focusing on long-term health and adherence. Weight loss drugs are just one tool in the journey. Sustainable results require combining medication with healthy lifestyle changes.